Here's how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Subaru Impreza. So the tricky part is it doesn't want to come up much more than this, but in order to get the old one out, you have to rotate it. So you've got to just get it up so that you can rotate it out, and then once you rotate it, it just slides right out like that. There's a pin in there. And then your new one has these two little dots here, so you want them to be on the blade side, and then it's got the stick. So you just same operation there. Get it up, backwards, and then crank it around straight, putting little pins into these grooves, and then you're done. And if you're shopping, I'm using this model number right here, CH14BR by Champion. There's other brands, but that'll give you an idea of what it's compatible with. Let's see if it works.